Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll walk you through your very first program with Llama Index using the Grok API. We will go step by step, and by the end of this video, you will have a working Llama Index program running with just a few lines of code. The first step is you have to install dependency. You can run this command pip install llama index and llama index llms.grok. I'm not going to run because I already have installed this on my system. You can just install it. And to get the API keys, you can visit this grok console.grok.com, and then you can go to this API section and you can create your free API key by clicking on this create API key. It is completely free. Now once you have done the installation, we can go to the next step, and before that I'll just give you an overview of what we are going to see in this video. There will be total 5 steps. In the first step, you have to install dependency. Second, import Grok. Third, add your API key. Fourth, initialize LLM model. And finally, you can make your first completion call. Now let's go to the Jupyter Notebook and start coding. Next, we import the Grok class. I will write here from llama index dot llms dot grok import grok. This class is how we connect to Grok models. Now we set our API key. You will find this in your Grok dashboard. And here I'm just using a placeholder. Make sure you replace it with your real key, or maybe let's import it. First I will import get pass, or maybe from get pass import get pass. And then I will write here API underscore key, then get pass, and inside this I will pass my API keys here. Now we will initialize the model, and I'm going to use Llama 3 8 billion parameters here, but you can try other models available in Grok. I'll write here LLM is equal to Grok, and then inside this first parameter is model name, and model name is going to be llama 3 8 billion 8192, and then API underscore key, the second parameter, is equal to API key. We pass the model name and the API key when creating the client. And finally, you can make your first call. I will save the response in the variable response. Now I'm going to call this LLM, and from this I will call the method complete. And inside this you can ask any question. For example, I'm going to write what is RAG, and then I'm going to print this response, print response, and let us execute our code. So that's it. When you run this, you will get a detailed answer from the model. Congratulations, you just made your first successful API call using Llama Index and Grok. And we can recap. So here you can see it is giving you information about RAG can refer to several things depending on the context. So here it is saying red, amber, green, or maybe the other one, random access graphic, racing against guns. So it has got a lot of options here. So we can even make this or we can even give the full form of RAG here, so that we can get the actual answer that we are looking for. I will write here retrieval augmented generation, in bracket RAG. Let's see what response we get now. Now you see is a type of language model that combines the strengths of two existing approaches. retrieval based models and generative models, and you get the complete information about RAG. And you see here, overall RAG model offers a promising approach to natural language processing, combining the strength of retrieval based and generative models to provide a more accurate and diverse and efficient text generation capabilities. So this is how you can query, you can ask anything. And in this example, I'm just asking what is RAG, and finally we print the response to see the answer. So if I give you a recap, you have to first install dependency, second import grok client, third API key you have to add, initialize the model as a fourth step, and the final step is make your first completion call. That's it for this video. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you got your first program running. In the next video, we will move into more advanced features like indexing document and retrieval. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.